Okay, today I'm going to be placing the third brake light, third tail light thing. Got some, this is what the new one is. Looks pretty cool, it's like W, and mine's cracked, and this one don't work. So I'm gonna be replacing it. Let's check out instructions. This is what was sent with me when I ordered this. Pause it if you need to read it. Looks like Phillips head screws. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, this is more complicated than I thought. So, I pulled out the old wire, and I don't have this one connected yet because it was a pain in the ass. But I finally figured out how to get to it. I put that seal on it. Let's snap this back in. It's got a little snap. Look at that. There. Not finished. Gotta hop down. It's been just sitting on the truck bed. Oh, hop down. Then we can come in here. And these things were snapped in above. But as you can see, there's my new one. There's the old one. It's just chilling up here in this. So you can get a view of where it is. And it is a pain in the ass. In one sec, I'll plug it in. Looks plugged in. Oh, and it is working. Right, that's because I got the door open. But it's looking nice. I'm gonna finish everything up, come back. Alright, that's it. It's the old one. Tools are used. And see, I hit the unlock button. Works. I ain't checked the brake light, but hoping it works. And that's it. Like, subscribe for more.